Hey YouTube folks, ever encountered an ISO image extraction failure in Rufus? Frustrating, right? Don't worry, we've got your back. In this quick guide, we'll dive into the why and how of fixing this glitch. Right-click on your Windows 10 ISO file. Click on Extract to Windows 10. Navigate to the Windows 10 folder. And give that auto-run file the boot, delete it. Here is the next step. Follow the step. Open your browser, hit up the search bar, and look for WinArchiver. Download it by clicking on the first link in the search results. Then choose the 64-bit edition. Install WinArchiver by opening the downloaded setup file. Just follow the prompts. Click Yes, Agree, Install, Next, and Close. Here is the next step. Follow the step. Return to your Windows 10 folder. Right-click, and this time choose WinArchiver. Select Add to Archive. Choose ISO image file. Pick a location. Give it a new name. Click Save. And hit OK. Wait for the magic to happen. Here is the next step. Follow the step. Open up Rufus. Click Yes. Then select. Locate the ISO file you just created with WinArchiver. Open it up. Choose Partition Scheme MBR. Click Start, and voila! Boot your pen drive without a hitch. There you have it. ISO image extraction glitch. Consider yourself fixed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.